Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here. This video is being posted on Tuesday, October 26, 2021. Today, I'm coming to you from the Advanced Manufacturing Technology Lab inside Woolworth Hall. I want to thank our Career Services team for organizing last week's very successful on-campus career fair. The college's high in-field student placement rate results from our strong industry partnerships, which were on display during our career fair as we hosted over 70 employers spread throughout our campus. It was inspiring to see everyone focused on helping our students and alumni with their next steps toward a successful career. Students, did you know Johnson College has a student food pantry open to all Johnson College students who need it on weekdays from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.? The food pantry helps support students' health and wellness by offering them food and toiletries at no cost. The pantry is in the Counseling and Disability Services office in the Moffitt Student Center. For more details, reach out to Melissa Saxon-Price, the college's counselor and manager of disability services. Her office is in the Moffitt Student Center. Last week, Mayor Paige G. Cognetti of the City of Scranton was on campus to award Johnson College with a $250,000 grant to help us improve the campus's ADA compliance. The improvements resulting from this grant will increase accessibility for faculty, staff, visitors, and most of all, students, as the college strives to be inclusive to all. These funds were awarded to the City of Scranton through the Federal Community Development Block Grant Program from the Housing and Urban Development Administration. Thank you to everyone for your support. Remember, our next on-campus open house is Saturday, November 6th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you or someone you know is interested in attending our open house, please visit johnson.edu/open house to learn more and to register. As I mentioned, today I'm in our Advanced Manufacturing Technology Lab inside Woolworth Hall. This program prepares students for entry-level positions within companies that have implemented team-oriented design, production, quality, and maintenance systems within the manufacturing environment. Our industry partners keep us informed about the demand for supply chain automation technicians and the evolving skills robotics technicians require, and Johnson College is constantly updating this program's curriculum and training done in this lab to meet these needs. This is just one example of how our relationships with industry help us educate and train students for the industry of today and prepares them for the careers of tomorrow. If you want to learn more about our Advanced Manufacturing Technology program, visit our website, johnson.edu. This week, I want to thank all of our industry partners who hire our Advanced Manufacturing Technology program graduates. Those partners include Advanced Metals Machining Automated Lifestyles, LLC, Latika Corporation, and Lockheed Martin. Industry is our students' campus. And now for my final note of the week. This is my last update video for Rocktober 2021. Like me, my daughter Sophie loves music. Any chance she gets, she's listening to music, downloading songs through iTunes, and listening to Pandora. Before the pandemic, she got to see one of her favorite bands, Maroon 5, in concert and is gearing up to see the band AJR this spring. She will often share how much she loves music and how good it makes her feel. And honestly, isn't that what life is all about? Making sure you are filling it with the things that make you feel good. So today, I encourage us all to listen to Sophie. As we head into the cooler months, make sure you are doing those things that make you feel good. We need those things in our lives now more than ever before. Whether it's music or another outlet, do it and do it as often as you can. That's it for this week's presidential update video from the Advanced Manufacturing Technology Lab inside Woolworth Hall. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.